Ready with your glasses, with your coat, okay, and your scientific method. Yes, today we're going to make science with our scientific method. Ready? Here we go. On Fridays, listen, on Fridays we are making science. So instead of singing hello, we are going to sing a song about science. Okay, so we're going to learn a new song, and then I am going to ask you, how are you today? Okay, but first we are going to say hello with science. Okay, this is going to be our science song. Okay, here we go. Ready? What is science? This is going to be our science song.
This is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. We need evidence to help us support our ideas. The more evidence we have, the stronger our idea is. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us.
Okay, so with this song, we are going to say hello, and we're going to play it one more time, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3. What is science?
Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. We need evidence to help us support our ideas. The more evidence we have, the stronger our idea is. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us. Evidence is like a clue that something is true. Scientists collect evidence through observations and experiments. Scientists use evidence to understand the world around us. Around us.
Perfect, guys. Ready, scientists? Are you ready to make science? Yes, we are ready to make science today. But first, how are you feeling, scientist? Scientist Vladimir, how are you feeling today, scientist Vladimir? Are you surprised, excited, happy? Scientist Vladimir is happy on Science Day. Very good, Vladimir. Mateo, how are you feeling today, scientist Mateo? It's surprise the scientist Mateo. Very good, scientist Mateo. Scientist Damian, how are you feeling today, scientist Damian?
Damian, happy.
He's happy. Scientist Damian is happy today. Very good. High five. I know I am excited. Sorry. Scientist Fernando, how are you feeling today, scientist Fernando? Scientist Fernando is
Excited.
excited. excited. High five, scientist Fernando. Excellent. Scientist Leonardo, how are you feeling today, scientist Leonardo? He got freeze. How are you today, scientist Leonardo? Scientist David, how are you feeling today, scientist David? Scientist David. Scientist David is not there. And you, Leo? Today, Leo.
Surprise!
Surprise! Like Mateo, scientist Mateo and Leonardo are surprised. And you, scientist Regina, how are you feeling today, scientist Regina? Boring? You are going to get excited today. You are going to be excited. At the end of the class, you all are going to be excited. Are you ready, scientists? Yes, we are ready. But first, before we start with our experimentations, we need to know what is the scientific method. Repeat with me. Scientific method. One more time. Scientific method. One more time. Scientific method. One last time. Scientific method. Ready? Here we go with a song. And then we're going to start working, okay? Here we go with the scientific method. Ready?
Mom?
1, 2, 3. Scientific method. Concentrate, scientists.
First you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you found. Then you ask a simple question, something that you want to learn. Then you form a hypothesis to explain what you observe. Then you make a prediction about how it's gonna go. Do a test with a control and a variable. Then you analyze the data and draw a conclusion to the scientific method to avoid all confusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Make an observation, ask a question, form a hypothesis and make a prediction, do a test or experimentation, analyze data and draw a conclusion. Scientific method. 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 Scientific. First you make an observation of the world around. Take notes and record all the things that you
You have your flashcards over there? Yes, you got your flashcards? Okay, with your flashcards, you are going to show me these ones, okay? In the order that we are seeing here. Ready? Make an observation. Make an observation. Make an observation. Very good, Damian. You are making an observation. Is number one. Making an observation is the first step as a scientist. Make an observation, okay? Observation, that's where scientists use glasses. That's where they use lens. Where is my lens? Here. We are going to be making an observation. Repeat with me. Observation. Perfect. Okay. Number 2.
Ask a question.
Ask a question.
Make an observation.
Ask a question. Make a question. What is going to happen? What? What? Okay? What? What is going to happen? What I'm going to make? What is going to happen with my experiment? ¿Qué va a pasar? What I'm going to do? How am I going to do? How am I going to make it? ¿Cómo lo voy a hacer? How? What? When? ¿Cuándo? When? Okay? You ask questions. You make a question. Like with your parents, como a sus papás, ¿cómo le dicen a sus papás? ¿Por qué? ¿Y por qué? ¿Y por qué? Now in English, we are going to make in science questions. Why? Why? ¿Por qué? Why? What? ¿Qué? What? What is going to happen? Okay, you are making questions.
Ask a question.
Number 3, form a hypothesis. Number 3, form a hypothesis. What is a hypothesis? A hypothesis is a possible answer. It can be true or it can be false. It's a possible answer, the hypothesis. Es una posible respuesta a mi pregunta. It's a possible answer to my question. It can be true or it can be false. Puede ser verdadero o puede ser falso. Okay? So that is why we are making number 4. Number 4 is
Make a prediction.
to make a prediction. Make a prediction. What is a prediction? A prediction is to see how am I going to do it. ¿Cómo lo voy a hacer? How am I going to do it? How?
Puedo responderte a eso. ¿Puedo ayudarte con alguna otra cosa?
Sorry, that was Siri. How am I going to make that? How? It's a prediction. Number 4 is prediction. Prediction, number 4. Okay? Then we have number 5. What is number 5? Number 5.
Do a test.
Do a test or an experimentation. A test or an experimentation. An experiment. Yes, we're going to be making experimentations as a scientist. If we want to know what is happening, we have to make an experimentation to prove it. Yes, we have to make an experiment. We want to see what is going to happen. Do you want to see what is going to happen with these glasses that we have here? Yes, you want to see what we are going to be making today. Okay, that is number 5. So we have observation, make a question, hypothesis, prediction, experimentation, and the last one,
Experimentation. Analyze data and draw a conclusion.
conclusion. It's a conclusion. What is a conclusion? It's our results.
Analyze.
Okay, the conclusion is what happened with my experimentation. It's the result, the last step. In the conclusion, we are going to see if my hypothesis was true or false. Okay, with the conclusion, we are going to see if we were right at the beginning. Vamos a saber, in the conclusion, en la conclusión, vamos a saber si nuestra hypothesis was true or false. ¿Fue verdadero o fue falso? ¿Estuvo bien o estuvo mal? We are going to see what is going to happen with our experiment. Yes. Ready? So now that you have them, we are going to repeat it, okay? Ready? What is number 1? Observation. Number 1, observation. Number 2, make a question. Make a question. Number 3, hypotheses. Hypotheses. Number 3 is a hypothesis. Number 4, prediction. A prediction. I am thinking what is going to be happening. Prediction. Prediction. I want to see the future. Queremos ver el futuro. Queremos saber qué va a pasar in the prediction, okay? Number 5, experimentation. We are going to be making science experimentation. And number 6 is our conclusion, okay? Now, with your flashcards, like Damian already made it, very good, Damian, we are going to put the name of each picture, okay? So I'm going to show you my screen, and we are going to be making it together, okay? Here we go. Okay, so here I have my flashcards, and we are going to put them in order. Okay, we are going to collocate it in order. Which one is number 1? Observation is number 1. Let's see how can we make it with number 1. Observation. Observation. Number 1, observation. Number 1, observation. Okay. Observation. Perfect. So I'm going to move it here. Observation. Number 1 is observation. Number 1, observation. Number 2, what is going to be number 2? Number 2 is, what is number 2? Who wants to tell me what is number 2? Damian, which one is number 2? That one. Make a question. Orange, make a question. Number 2. Make a question. Perfect. Number 2 is make a question. We are going to make a question. What? What? How? Why? Okay, that is a question. To make a question. Observation, make a question. And number 3, what is going to be number 3? Number 3 is going to be, which one is going to be number 3? Hypothesis. Hypothesis is my number 3. What color is hypothesis? The yellow one. Yellow is for hypothesis. Number 3. Okay, number 3 is hypothesis. Number 3. Okay. Very good, guys. Very good, Leo. Very good, Damian. Very good, Vladdy. Okay, we have it like this. Observation. Make a question. Hypothesis. Perfect, guys. Now, what is number 4? Which one was number 4? We have to see the future. Very good, Fred. Excellent. What is for number 4? Prediction. We are going to have the prediction. We are going to be making a prediction, okay? Number 4 is for a prediction. Number 4 for prediction, the green one. Prediction. Number 4. Number 4 is a prediction. Okay, prediction. Prediction. Very good. But which one was the prediction? That wasn't the prediction. The prediction was this one. Sorry. This one is for prediction. Number 4. Okay, prediction. Perfect, guys. Excellent. Prediction. And number 5, what is going to be for number 5? Number 5 is the experimentation. The fun part of the science. La parte más divertida de science. Experimentation. Okay, today we're going to make an experiment, but first, we need to know the scientific method in order to make our experimentation. Very good, Vladimir. Excellent. Experimentation is for number 5. And the last one, which one was number 6? Number 6 is the conclusion. It's purple. Okay, the conclusion, the results, el resultado final. Like in mathematics, you can make 2 plus 2 and you have 4. So it also happens in science. So we're going to see what is going to happen today with the materials that we have. Okay, number 6 is for a conclusion, okay? Ready? Okay, we're going to repeat it together, okay? You're going to repeat with me. 1, 2, 3. Observation. Make a question. Hypothesis. Prediction. Experimentation. And conclusion. Ready? One more time. Ready? Observation. Make a question. Hypothesis. True or false? Hypothesis is number 3. Hypothesis. Prediction. It's a prediction. What is going to happen? Experimentation. The fun part of the science. Experimentation. Conclusion. Conclusion. Very good, guys. Okay, so we have our scientific method. Damián, what is this? What have we just done? ¿Qué es lo que acabamos de hacer? What is its name?
Dile.
It's a scientific method. Yes, very good. Exactly, very good, Damián. Scientific method. Mateo, what have we just done, Mateo? What is this? What is this, Mateo? What have we just done? It's a scientific method. Scientific method. Repeat with me, Mateo. Scientific method.
Mesa.
Excellent. Very good, Mateo. Leo, what are we making? What is this, Leo?
This Leo. My name is Leo.
Method. Excellent. Very good, Leo.
Más fuerte. Scientific method.
Excellent, Leo. Fernando, what have we just done? What is this? What is this?
Thesis.
We have a hypothesis, but what we just make? What is all of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is this? It's a science. What is this? A scientific method. Scientific method. And in Spanish, how do you call it? Método científico. And in English, scientific method. Excellent. Very good, Fer. Ready, scientist? Okay, so now you're going to be pasting your flashcards in your wall, okay? We're also going to be having them every Friday. We are going to be using them, okay? Yes, we are going to be using them every Friday. So you can have them as flashcards or in your wall. ¿Sale? Las podemos dejar como flashcards sueltas para utilizarlas o las pegamos en la pared, ¿ok? Now, scientists, you ready to make an experiment? Are you ready to make science? ¿Están listos para hacer ciencia? Are you ready to make science? Yes? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Okay, so we're going to need 3 glasses. 1, 2, and 3. And I'm also going to be needing some water and paints. What colors are we going to use?
Miss, perdón, ¿van a hacer un experimento?
Sí.
Ok, es que eso, bueno, necesitan 2 vasos, perdón, es que eso no me lo pidió su mamá.
6 vasitos.
6.
Sí, 6. Un vaso lleno con agua y sus pinturas, colores primarios. Yellow, blue, and red. Azul, amarillo y
Okay.
Okay? Perfect. You ready, scientists, to make an experiment? Yes, I am ready to make an experiment. Here we go. Okay, now you can see my face. Okay, here. Perfect. Ready, scientist? Ready, Damian is ready. Who else is ready? I am ready. Ladi, are you ready? Perfect. Ferlemus, are you ready? Ready. Regis, are you ready? Regis is ready. Scientist Leo, are you ready? Ready. Mateo, are you ready? David, are you ready? Yes, we are all ready. Okay, here we go. So the first step is to have water in my 3 cups. Okay, so I'm going to add water. Okay, we're going to add some water. Okay, like Damian, very good, Damian. Excellent, we have water. Perfect, guys. Now that we have our 3 cups of water, 1, 2, and 3. What is the first step of the scientific method? What is the first step? The first step is observation. Observation. Ready with your lens? Okay, we're going to observe the water. Look through the water. We are going to observe our glasses. Observe them. What color is the water? What color is it? Does it have a color? Damian, what color is the water? What color is it? Is green? The water is green? Yes or no? No, it's not green. Is it yellow? Is yellow? No. Is purple? No. What color is the water? What color is it?
Water transparent.
Transparent. Very good. Fair. But transparent is without color. There is no color. Cuando hablamos de cosas transparentes es porque no tienen color. So the water doesn't have a color. Look, if I want to see my watercolor white, it's white. If I want my watercolor pink, now it's pink. Okay? The water doesn't have a color. Now, the part of our observation is to smell it. Smell the water with your nose. What does it smell like? Does it have a smell? Is chocolate? Is lemon? What does it smell, Damian? Does it have a smell? ¿Tiene un olor? Does it have a smell?
Contesta.
May.
No, it doesn't have a smell. Wow, water doesn't have a color. It doesn't have a smell. And how does it taste? ¿A qué sabe? What does it taste like? Like chocolate? Like lemon? No, Regis. Si es de la llave, no se la tomen, ¿eh? What does it taste like? ¿A qué sabe? Soap? ¿A jabón? Does it taste like soap? No. Vladimir, how does it taste? ¿A qué sabe? What does it taste like?
Sabe a llave.
¿A llave?
Nothing.
It doesn't
Nothing.
taste. What?
Nothing.
Nothing. A nada. Nothing. It doesn't taste like nothing. No se parece a nada. No. So water doesn't have color, no color, no smell, and no taste. Wow, the water is magic. Can you see it? It's magic. We can use it to make everything. La podemos utilizar para hacer de todo. We can make food, we can make experiments, we can wash ourselves, we can drink it, we can make everything with water, everything. So today we're going to use water to make our experiments, okay? Ready? Are you ready, scientists? Yes, perfect. So we have done the observation, okay? Now, what do we have to do? A question. We have to make a question. What are we going to do? What is going to happen if I use these colors? What is going to happen if I use yellow, red, and blue? What is going to happen? ¿Qué va a pasar? What is going to happen? Who can make a hypothesis? ¿Quién me puede hacer una hipótesis? Who wants to make the hypothesis? Who says me? ¿Quién dice yo? Who says me? Who wants to make the hypothesis?
Dile, ¿qué va a pasar con los colores cuando le pongas al agua? ¿Qué crees?
Sí, se van a colorar el agua. Ay, Dios.
We're going to be coloring the water. Very good, David. Do you think that the hypothesis is going to be true or false? It's going to be true or false? Are we going to be coloring the water? True? Are you sure, David? Yes, you're sure? Let's try it. Let's make a prediction and let's see what happens if we water. Ready? First, we're going to use yellow. Yellow. Try it with yellow. Okay. We are going to have yellow here, so you can see it here. Yellow. Now, we are going to try it with blue. Okay, we're going to use blue color. Red, blue, and yellow. Okay, and we're going to see what is going to happen with our water. What is going to happen with blue? Perfect. And now I want to see what is going to happen if I make red water. Here I already had red water, so I'm going to be using this one, okay? Okay. Now, how many colors do we have? How many colors? We have 1, 2, 3 colors. 3 colors. Ready? Now, the next question is going to be, what is going to happen if I mix the color? What is going to happen if I mix the colors? ¿Qué creen que pase si yo los mezclo? What is going to happen if I mix them? Who wants to make another hypothesis? Who wants to tell me another hypothesis?
A ver, dile a la Miss. ¿Qué crees que va a pasar cuando los mezclemos?
Creo que va a ser algo súper peligroso.
Súper peligroso, como que.
Andrew?
Como un monstruo de colores combinados. O sones de colores
With
combinados.
colors?
Y que tengamos que detenerlo poniendo el azul, amarillo y rojo.
No, en inglés.
What is going
¿Qué
to happen?
colores?
Damian, what do you think that is going to happen, scientist Damian?
Va a salir otro colores.
There is going to be another color?
Sí.
Yes, do you think so? Let's try. Let's see what is going to happen. Ready, scientists? We are going to have another glass with nothing. It has nothing, no water, anything. It's empty, nothing. It doesn't have anything. Ready? And we are going to add, with what color do you want? Vladimir, what color do you want to mix first?
Red.
Blue.
Yo blue.
Okay, scientist Fernando says red. No, Vladimir said red. And Fernando said blue. Ready? We are going to add red and blue. What color do you have? I have purple. I have made purple. Look, my water is purple. Do you already have it purple? Wow. Very good, guys. We have purple water. Now, let's see what is going to happen if I mix yellow and red? Yellow and red. What color is it? It's orange. My water turned out to be orange. Wow, it's no red, no yellow, it's orange. Wow. What happened if I mix yellow and blue? Yellow and blue. Now try it with yellow and blue. Wow! What color did we make with yellow and blue? It's green. Now I have green. Now I have new colors. I have purple, I got orange, and I got green. Wow, very good, Damian. Very good, Fernando. Very good, Leo. Very good, David. We have made a mix of colors. How many colors do we have now? How many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. We used to have 3 and now we have 6. Wow. Is that magic or science? What is that? ¿Es magia or ciencia? What is it? Magic or science? What is it? Is it magic or science? What do you think?
Science.
Science. Very good, scientist Vladimir. So the hypothesis that David made was true or false? Was it true or false? It was. What do you think, Mateo? David was true or false?
Naranja.
En inglés.
Ooh.
Green.
Prediction that the man made
Yellow.
or false
Blue.
prediction. It was
Orange.
true.
Red.
Very good, guys. So our conclusion is that if we mix the colors, we can make many colors. Sorry. We can make many colors. With only 3 colors, we can make 1,000,000 of colors. 1,000,000. Many colors. So, as your homework, scientists, you are going to draw the scientific method that we made with our experiment. What did we did first? We made an observation. Then we asked a question. We make a question. What was the question? What happened if we mix the colors? That was the question. What happened if we mix the colors? And then what did we make? We made a hypothesis. If we use paint, we are going to color the water. And the prediction was that if we mix them, we were going to have many colors. And our experimentation was to mix them, and then the conclusion was that it was true. Everything that we said before was true. Very good, Fernando, with your color orange. Excellent, guys. So for have finished, and for your homework, you are going to make your scientific method, okay? You are going to draw it, okay? Van a dibujar the scientific method that we made with this experiment, okay? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, and step 6. Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, perfect. So your experimentation, your scientific method, you can upload it on Google Classroom until next Friday, okay? Van a tener hasta el siguiente viernes para subir su método científico, ¿sale? En una hoja van a dibujar cada paso del método científico que utilizamos para este experiment, ¿ok? Yes? Perfect, guys. Any questions? No? There are any questions? ¿No hay preguntas? David has a question? Or no, David? No? Perfect. Excellent, David. Scientist David is ready. Mateo, Scientist Mateo, do you have any question?
¿Tienes alguna pregunta?
No.
Mateo no, Miss, pero yo sí porque le voy a ayudar. A ver, ¿qué es lo que tenga él figuras o que se escriba de los procedimientos de la clase?
Que los dibujen.
Yo no entendí. Ajá, ok. Que dibuje los 6 colores.
Los 6 pasos del método científico.
Ok, gracias.
Con este experimento que hicimos, ¿sale? Y lo van a subir a Google Classroom. Va a estar abierta la tarea hasta el próximo viernes, antes de la clase, ¿sale? Perfect. You can also use pictures. También pueden utilizar fotos, si quieren. ¿Sale? Pueden ir tomando fotos de los experimentos, de cada paso, y lo podemos ir subiendo de esa forma. Okay? Ready? Are we finished? Yes, we have finished. So first, before we say goodbye, we have to clean up. We have to clean up everything. Ready, scientists? A good scientist always clean up their place. So now we're going to clean our science lab.
Time to clean up, everyone. Let's pick up our things. Clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, clean up. Everybody clean up, time to clean up. Pick up, everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, pick up. Everybody pick up, time to pick up. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks, put them away. Pick up the books, put them away. Put your things away. Pick up the toys, put them away. Pick up the blocks. days away.
Perfect. Who is finished? Damián is finished. Everyone is finished. You won. Me ganaron. You won me.
Monster Math presents Addition Below 10. Okay, class, let's begin.
Perfect, guys. So now that we have finished, it's time to say goodbye. Ready? And we will see you on Monday. Bye bye.
Goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands.
Very good, Vladimir.
I can stamp my feet.
I can flip my feet.
I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye.
Clap your hands.
Goodbye.